Today we're gonna show you how to reset and replace the engine air filter on a Yukon Denali. So once you get into the vehicle and you go ahead and start it, you're gonna have a message like that. So first thing we need to do is go ahead and open the hood, turn off your vehicle, and let's go find out the position of the air filter. So once you open the hood, you're gonna have to locate your air filter, and it's this big box right here. If you can see down here, there are some screws. You can use a Phillips, or I think it's 8mm. In my case, I'm just gonna use a Phillips. There's one right there, there's a one on this side, and then there should be one more right there. Let's open those. That's once we get them open, we can try see what's the next step. I'm just using like extension. Come really easily out. No. Okay, once we get all three of them out, just gonna yank them out so I don't lose them. They don't want them to fall down in the engine compartment. They kind of actually pretty tight in there. Pull it out forward, and there's your filter. So my filter is pretty bad, and I got new filters on eBay Motors. I didn't want to really go and buy them from a GMC dealer. They weigh about like $120. So on eBay Motors I got them for like $25. I know they're not OEM factory, but they will do the job. So once you put a new filter in, you have to slide this part back. There's like openings, and those things just slide in it just like that, and then you will see that your holes for the screws are perfectly matched, and then we're just gonna tie them down. So we're gonna head back in the vehicle. Once we get in there, we're gonna go ahead and start it up, and then with this button right here, we're gonna scroll down. Okay, so the filter, then we're gonna press this. This is reset. Click again, reset. Are you sure? With the side button, we're gonna move it to yes, and press it again, and it's gonna be back to 100%. And that's it. That's how you reset and replace engine air filter on a 2019 or newer Yukon Denali.